Why do 70% of people struggle with weight loss? It's often about having the right plan. Here's one to get you started. First things first, balance your macronutrients: proteins, carbs, and fats. Proteins like lean meats, fish, and eggs help build muscle. Carbs from whole grains and veggies fuel your day, and healthy fats from avocados and nuts keep you going strong. Next up, meal timing and portion control. Eat smaller, frequent meals to keep your metabolism buzzing. Aim for 5-6 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and healthy snacks in between. Hydration is key. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. It aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. Load up on fiber-rich foods. Think veggies, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. They help you stay full longer, reducing overeating. Cut down on sugar and processed foods. They add calories without nutrients. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods instead. Pick healthy snacks high in protein and fiber. Greek yogurt with berries, hummus with veggies, or a handful of nuts are great options. Finally, pair your diet with regular physical activity. Cardio and strength training combined boost metabolism and build muscle. Here's a sample plan. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. Mid-morning snack: apple slices with almond butter. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with quinoa. Afternoon snack: Greek yogurt with blueberries. Dinner: baked salmon with steamed broccoli and brown rice. Evening snack: carrot sticks with hummus. Stick to this plan and you'll be shedding pounds in no time. You've got this.